In a world where everyone needs their product yesterday, the first and possibly most simple answer is capacity. Having the equipment that reduces setup and development naturally expedites the pace of customer satisfaction and profitable products.
Well, the 3 new machines really bolster our quality and should help the integrity of our reputation in the marketplace. We try to make a quality product all the time, and each of these machines has its own capability that helps our quality. When we looked at each machine, we tried to say, okay, is this something that we currently do? Can we expand our product offering? Can we do something for our customers that we didn't do before? So when we looked at all the welding cobots that were available, we wanted to focus on something that made us better. We already had what's called fixed automation. We already had robotic welding cells in our Springfield location, but it was not a cobot, co meaning collaborative. We wanted to use our existing welder fabricators who are really good and use a collaborative robot that they could work with instead of just programming, and then we could be more flexible. Now, I could say that it's not any better than our fabricators. However, it does offer us more time, more capacity. When someone gets tired after working on the same part for 6 hours, the cobot can keep going, and that helps expand on what we can do. We wanted to have a cobot that had a lot of software and programming built into the controller so that we could do things that we've never done before. And that was great, and we found that with the Vectus cobot. On the Suni saw, it's a circular saw. We've never had one before. When we looked at it, it was smaller, and what we found out is it could cut 10 times faster than all of our other saws. So now that's the fastest saw that we have at all 3 locations. We're used to these large horizontal band saws that take up a huge footprint and are focused on structural steel. A circular saw with a special controller allows us to do very minute tolerance dimensions, and we could fit more parts within a certain profile than we could with a large structural steel bandsaw. So when we looked at this saw, we focused on 3 things: quality of a part, efficiency of the operation, and then overall capacity of what we can do for our customers. And then lastly, the press brake. It's a 750-ton press brake. Everything is new, including the hydraulics, the mechanics, the computer controller. So just the fact that it's new gives us capability we didn't have before. We now can start with a prototype or a new part and go from development of the blank all the way to a finished part within minutes as opposed to days. And that speeds up our capability for our customer, and ultimately that gives us more market share for new parts. And we have 250 more tons to make parts, and that expands our capability for our customers. So we're really excited about that.
This equipment contributes to a tradition while continuing our legacy by using technology to reduce physical demands, increasing repeatability, and improving reliability, all of which support our vision.